Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to do this look. And so if you can tell already, and if you can't, let me tell you, this is like the Kylie Jenner, the look that she did in Courtney's wedding, the bridesmaid look. So this is my gothic bridesmaid look. This is what I did, and along with that I have like a lot of Siren Eyes going on. So this is Goth Foxy Siren Eyes Kylie vibe. And yeah, I mean, if you want to know how I did this, because it's a good in-depth tutorial, we did bomb makeup today. Let's get into video and let's go. So I have already done the base makeup, and by base makeup I mean foundation, concealer, and I've set the face with powder. That's it. And the rest of the steps we'll do together, right? Because I just wanted to do it according to how Kylie did it, right? So the base is very simple. Her base was very matte, and I have used Maybelline Superstay, the very matte foundation, right? And a normal concealer, nothing fancy about it. And now let's contour, and I'm using this Sugar bronzer in Woody Wonder, right? And let's just do it, right? Let's warm up the face, because right now I look ghastly. Okay, so I really need a lot of warmth in my face. And Kardashians, they are known for a lot of heavy bronzing and making their skin look sun-kissed, and that is exactly what we are going for today. We want sun-kissed, right? Sun-kissed and snatched, that is where we at. Okay, so first let's do the forehead. And the reason why I didn't do contour was because there is specially something that I wanted to do today that Kylie did, and that is not something that I usually do with my contouring. Wait, let me just chisel out the jawline. The heavy contouring over here is very important for me. Okay, so there is something that Kylie did in her look that I don't usually do, but I think for this look we'll be doing it. I'm just contouring my nose a little bit. And let me just take like a smaller brush, a small fluffy brush, and I'm taking the bronzer. She very darkly contoured this part, using a very, I would say, quite a dark color, right? And she made this area very prominent, and that is exactly what we are doing today. Now I like doing, this type of contouring is not something I usually like to do, and you don't have to do it if it doesn't work for your face shape. And yeah, I want to fix this mess of a contour over this area, and let's just do that. Yeah, this is a little better. Now she had a very pink blush, and I'm again going to use one from Sugar. This is the blush in Mauve Marble, and she has a very, oh my god, I definitely feel this blush has maybe just expired, because it is very patchy these days. It's not applying the way I want it to, and I have also lost my blender, you guys. Wait. Oh, this is not as bad as it was before. Okay, so let's do a take two, and I'm taking this Cupcake blush from Cubs and Lashes, and let's just apply this. This is a very cute pink blush. Now this definitely is a little lighter than what Kylie is wearing, but I don't have a pink blush as of now. So yeah, let's just work with this one, and I'm using it like prominently all over the face, because I want a highly blushed face. And over the nose, because that is important too. A little bit on the chin area. They do on the forehead as well, so yeah, whatever. And I'm just going to take the blender. I'm just going to dab it a little bit, so that everything can settle down and look a little bit more natural. Let me just finish off highlighter and setting spray and everything, and then we'll just get into the eye makeup. Okay, so we are done with everything. Now I am actually going to take these two eye patches and we are going to apply it on the eyes, and I'm using this because we want a very sharp wing today, a very sharp eyeshadow eyeliner application. So yeah, let's just apply this so that we have that sharpness. And you know what, I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand so that the excessive glue, it just comes off, and our base shouldn't be ruined, you know, because of these tapes. Are these equal? I think they are. So I actually have two palettes over here, and this is Live the Drag palette from Manny MUA, Lunar Beauty, right? So this is one palette, right? And the other one, it's an alternative palette for this Manny MUA palette. If you don't have that, you can definitely try this one out because this is readily available in India. And yeah, I mean, we need these brown tones. So if you don't have that, you can definitely try this one out. If you don't have any of these, any palette with black and some darker tones of brown would do it. So let's try out with this, and we are going to take, let's take stiffer brush first, and I'm going to take the black color, and let's apply the black color over here. So this is both Siren Eyes and that very foxy gothic eyes, and I'm taking, let's take a very light color first, this color over here, right, this one, and let's just blend this one out. Ooh. And I'm taking it all over the crease over here so that it just looks very meshed up. It's a very light color, but it will just give you that very contourish effect. And also let's just blend this over here. Oh, oh my god, don't come off, bitch. Yeah. Also, I'm blending it like this, okay, slantly, to, you know, have that effect. You can darken up the color later. Right now we are just blending everything out so that it looks meshed up, okay? And I'm taking the same black color in the inner corner as well because she has it in the inner corner too. And again, taking the same brown, we are going to blend it because over here it wasn't as dark as it was over here. Again, just a little bit of black. I think I did too much. No, I think it's okay. I'm just going to blend it. Ooh, this is cute, huh? Now I'm going to take a darker color of brown and just put it over the crease over here, and taking it over here as well. This is very similar to the foxy eye that I did you know, last year. It's very similar to that. It's just foxy with a little bit of siren eyes and, you know, all of that stuff. I'm just going to take a cleaner brush and I'm going to take this particular color. I'm really happy how this palette has everything that I need for this look. And I think any neutral toned, not neutral tone, actually brown toned palette will have all the colors that you need. So you don't need to have 3-4 palettes, you just need 3-4 shades of brown, you know, according to you. The more you blend, the better it gets. And I'm just going to take a little bit of black, a little bit more, and just making this happen, okay? Ooh, I'm making fetch happen. Okay. Right, and now we will take, let's take the browns. I'm not taking the black, I'm taking the browns actually. Or maybe not. Let's take a little bit of black. Let's intensify the black first. Giving it the smudged effect. And then let's just put on the browns, you know, to blend it out. Everything just goes into my eyes for some reason. Let's start off with the eyeliner and let's quickly draw a wing, like a good cute wing that I always do. Good, great. Now coming to this very inner corner part. Listen, I have been doing makeup for a long time, but for some reason I still can't do this thing. So I'm going to do it the easier way. I'm going to take a kohl pencil and I'm going to just sketch out the siren thing first, right? Like this, and joining it with the upper eyelid. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing with an eyeliner. Ooh. Let's just hope it happens. Starting with, you know, the bottom lash first and joining it with oh damn, that is good. Actually, I'm going to make a wing with this eyeliner only. It looks good to me. Let me finish this eye and let's just complete the look. So this look is definitely very fierce, and I am not going to use any lashes. Let's just give like a one good coat of mascara, and I'm going to use the Flower Beauty eyelashes, right? Yeah, I am just tabbing my eye left, right and center today. Whew. Just your regular lashes, I think they would be good. Now, as far as the lipstick is concerned, I have for you not one, not two, but three lip combos, three entirely different lip combos that you can try out with this whole makeup. And for that, you have to watch the reel that I will give in the description box. So I hope I will see you there, right? And yeah, I mean, let's just finish this video, you guys. So yes guys, this is one of the final looks, you know, one of the three lip combos, but I really like this one because it's like matching the vibe, right? But definitely you can try whatever you like. You like nudes, you can go for the nude ones. If you like red, you can go with the red ones. Black is definitely the Halloween vibe for me, right? I'm liking this combo. Like, this is a vibe, a look, okay? So yeah, please hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.